Oh, sorry, I supposed to shoot this clip in the beginning, but I totally forgot. I realized it very later, but I'm shooting this as a separate clip, so you may find me in a different angle. So anyway, I wanted to include my Onam celebration clips in this video. I could not make it as a separate video because of my social gatherings. So anyway, wish you all a very happy belated Onam wishes. Can we see that? Let's get started. So welcome back to another episode of Palette Life. Hey there, thank you for joining me today. I took a little more time to post this video. So the reason behind is that I have taken up few tasks to improve my artistic ability. So actually it is too early to post such video because I have started this task recently. But still I wanted to post this to help you all. If somebody, those who are watching this channel, wanted to take up this all task along with me, you can do so. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. So today we are going to discuss about that 5 tasks which is going to help us as a beginner artist, those who are starting very early, that will be beneficial, so you can improve your art very faster. So the first one is try out new mediums. So recently I felt like I have to restart doing painting using different mediums. Like I have tried all the medium in the beginning stage, but I was not aware how to use it properly. So recently I started to take up watercolor paintings. I had to purchase one new set of tube colors. This one I made. This is a random painting. I have no intention to frame it or something. I just wanted to experience that medium. That's all. So I was feeling, I was happy with the texture it is giving, like that smooth and pale texture. I wanted to use the color as much thin as I can. Like here also I have applied the layering technique. I applied the first coat, very diluted first coat. Then later I had to work on in layers to take out the things out of the page. Here I applied a thick coat of this magenta. It's all the technique I have used is I have mixed the colors to make the new color, and I have to merge in few areas. So this as a beginner you can also try out this kind of paintings. It's so easy to make. So the first thing is that after a long time I did sketching while doing paintings. Normally I don't do sketching, so I felt like I'm feeling like it is really time consuming, but still I wanted to try this medium. And I have made one more painting in the similar pattern. This one, this also, this everywhere I have given that yellow and green tint. I loved it, but I feel like I can work on this. I can add few more details on this. I can work on the background and all. So I may be doing it later, so no hurry. So I just wanted to try out few sketches. This also I have done the sketching part first, then I have painted over that. I just fill the colors. So I love the texture it is giving. So this is the one medium I have tried out recently. Tried out in the sense I have revisited that medium. Other than this, I recently started using charcoal pencil to do few sketches. So it is really like feeling that satisfying effect, like you get instantly that the dark tone. So this is so nice. I felt very like a satisfying, like you can see the minute details. And this few more I have tried out. If you want, I can reshoot that separately, then I can show you in inside the frame somewhere. And this one also I have tried. And another medium I have tried recently is that, I cannot say recently, but I tried for the first time, is that a few months back, the gel pen. This is also very satisfying, like you get that instant effect, but you feel like we don't have a scope of erasing it. So we try to, like we have to make ourselves like being confident, and we just sketch it and we can correct it with the shading. Like you have to try this, in my opinion. Like it's so nice to try, that the smooth flow of the gel pen makes us like feeling satisfactory. I have filled this whole sketchbook with the gel pen art. So I'll share the link of this video of my sketchbook tour somewhere on the right corner of this frame. So check that if you are interested. Whenever you are trying out a new medium, it is a new experience. Like you can feel comfortable with some medium, but some you may not feel like to touch it again. So it is up to you, like which one you are going to try out. And the second task I have taken up is that making or trying out figuratives. It is a kind of rapid sketch. I have never made this kind of study in my earlier days. Like I wanted to be confident with the figures. Learning how to do a proper figure drawing is always going to help you while doing a portrait. So what happens is we normally copy the art of some other artists. So while making it, we are having a tendency of stucking up somewhere where our canvas is bigger than the reference. So we may have to extend those features. So that time you stuck up there. So if you are not confident with figure drawings, easy method to learn all such things are doing rapid figuratives. So I have tried this one in a normal drawing book. So I am doing this as a regular practice. So I'll show you what all I am doing. So I have practiced these figuratives in this book. It is so light. I have done with pencil. I'll show you, I'll click a separate picture of this and show you somewhere in the frame. So these all are really helpful while making a portrait study. And the third task I have taken up is that face study. So I am doing this 100 head challenge. That means like I have to make 100 heads in one particular duration. So I am not worried about that duration. Randomly I have taken up, I have started few days back. I have completed almost 77 head study as a task. So I had to do 30 more. So after completing that, I'll be posting it as a separate video. But I have not taken this as a challenge, but I wanted to make 100 heads in a regular basis. Like how much time I'm able to dedicate, as per that I'm filling up that book. I'll show you that few of them. Like these are the head study. I'm not dedicating much of the time on each face, because I have to complete this as I have taken up it as a speed drawing. Like how much fast we can complete a face, and we have to catch that likeliness of that model too. So that is the intention of doing this head study. So this task also you can take up, like you can take up as simple as this, like do one head per day. Like it is going to take a few months to complete, but you'll be getting a regular practice on portraiture. And the next task I have taken up is that working on my problem area. Like problem area in the sense, everyone, those who are practicing art, will find some area in a portrait will feel difficult, like sometimes we stuck up to make some area or some facial features, or not only portraits, like any other subjects, anything it could be. Some may be finding it difficult to make the cityscape. Even I have that trouble. So because I have not practiced that may be the reason. So the practice is everything. If you are practicing it for more than 10 or 20 times, you'll feel comfortable with that subject. That is the main fact I have taken up as this as a practice or as a task. But here I wanted to take like the smiling face as a challenge or the task. So what happens is, while making a smiling face, always everybody may be facing this problem, that proportion won't get it right. So I have not tried many of the portraits with the smile. So I have taken up that as a task too. Like I have made few sketches in the head study. This is a separate topic comparing to the earlier one. That is a different book. I have used some different book for that, entirely for that. This is the smiling face practice. So you can practice such kind of drawings in a small portion of, you can divide the page into 6. This is comparatively, this is very small book. This is also a rapid sketch. I am not taking much time to make the drawing perfect. I am using in both the cases pencil as a medium because that is very easy, and whenever you feel like, you can take a paper and a pencil or this book, and you can start easily, you can start sketching. So that is the intention, so that need not to worry, even if you are going out also, you can carry this book and pencil, and you can try out from there. So that is so easy. So that's why I chose pencil as a medium. So the fourth task is finding your problem area and try to work on it. And the fifth and the last point I would like to discuss here is that be aware of the present trends in art, so that you are getting more exposure what all are happening in the art field. And you have to check regularly in the social media what all are the recent trends in art field. So keep a separate time for that, so that you may find some medium as an interesting, or some trends as interesting. So so many trending videos are available in the YouTube as well as in Pinterest, so you can check all those things. So I have dedicated few hours, like half an hour per day only for watching those videos. So you also can take up these kind of 5 tasks. I have shown only 5 tasks in this video. This is all art related. You also can take up your interested area as a different separate task. Hope this video is useful, and if you have any such task which you already have created, let me know in the comment section. I am eager to know that as well. And if you have any suggestions or any things which you find which is interesting, or which is a must learn for an artist, you can share with me, so that I can take up that as my next task. So wishing you all the very best, and thank you for watching the video till the end. So see you soon with yet another interesting video. Until then, take good care of your health and happy painting. Bye.